This is a real test for the Topdon, where is it now? TB6000. Yes, I inadvertently parked the forklift over here, where my shop is over there. Now, of course, it was -10 last night, and it sorted out the battery because I hadn't had it running for very long, and it hasn't got a very big amperage charger on it. So anyway, of course, it wouldn't start this morning. Wouldn't have it. So I thought, well, I tried my old Motormaster Canadian Tire charger, and that was dead. We'll have a look at that in another video. So I thought, well, let's get the old Topdon out. And again, it clipped on, and I've put it onto quick charge, and it's showing, wait a minute, the battery level already is up to 65% from 25%. This isn't like I say, it isn't a particularly good battery on this one, and it's got a tendency to, you know, die in this weather. It's been on for 6 minutes, so it's not too bad. Current, well, a minute, current. So it's putting about 5 amps in, which is pretty decent. You know, we don't want to boil it over. It's got 14 volts going in, and you can probably see here. But the thing is, will it start? The Topdon doesn't have a start charger on it, but if it can bring this battery up, that'd be brilliant. So let's leave it on for 10 minutes and see what it does. Well, I've just been doing a few bits of runarounds, and I had my phone in my pocket in my shop, and it now says, please connect Bluetooth device first, confirm. Is it going to connect? Disconnected. It's funny, it says it's disconnected, yet it's charging at 3 amps. So it must mean this isn't really important to your phone. As long as you set it up with this, then you can bugger off and do something else. Why won't it connect? So I had to restart my phone to get the connection. So we're on quick charging. What have we got? We've been on 25 minutes and we've got up to 90% charge. You see that? That's pretty impressive. Charge mode, lead acid battery, probably won't start. Oh, that's interesting, but will it start? Now, for some bizarre reason, this forklift with the Perkins engine in, it's a Perkins AD3152 in Canada, didn't come with a cold start. How they got away with it, I do not know. Anyway, so all we've got is a little bit of ether, and a little bit too, just a dash. Now, I'm going to see if it starts. Wanted another boat go, but it didn't put the battery up. Oh, I'm pleased about that. Top marks, Topdon. Let's get to work.